Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 19th of June 2024. US market is closed today on account of Juneteenth. US Dow Jones rose 0.15%, settling the day at 38,834.86 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,860.43, rising 0.02%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,737.75 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,122.68. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,662.50, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,569.40 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Vedanta Resources plans to trim debt by $3 billion over 3 years. Government may hike exemption limit under new tax regime to 5 lakh rupees. India's FY25 net direct tax collections rise 21% year till June 17. Now talking about global aspects, industrial production in the US rose 0.9% from a month earlier in May, more than market expectations of a 0.3% increase and after showing no growth in April. Retail sales in the US edged up a 0.1% month-over-month in May, following a downwardly revised 0.2% fall in April and below forecasts of a 0.2%. China's securities regulator said it will strengthen regulation of all financial activities and prevent and resolve risks. WTI ended 1.5% higher at $81.57 a barrel, while Brent settled up 1.3% at $85.33 per barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.87. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.21%. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, reached fresh all-time highs of 77,366.77 and 23,579.05 respectively, driven by robust economic growth and strong global support from the US markets, which are also setting new records. The Sensex gained more than 300 points to close the day at 77,301.14, while the Nifty concluded the day on a positive note at 23,557.90. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, on a daily chart analysis, Nifty has been consolidating within a wide range of 23,300 to 23,600. The hourly momentum indicator shows a positive crossover from the equilibrium line, indicating that the consolidation phase has likely matured, and there's potential for the next upward movement to begin. Bank Nifty maintained its consolidation phase, ending the session above the key 50,000 level, where significant call side open interest has accumulated. To validate an upward breakout toward the 51,000 level, the index must decisively breach the 50,500 mark. Support is established around the 49,800 to 49,600 zone, and a breach below this range could initiate further downside movement towards 49,000. Stocks on radar are GRSE, FACT, AGS Transact Technologies, MMTC. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.